honestly.
Today I'll be bleaching my hair or something like that. This is what I got. The Cream of Nature. I think I used a different one last time to get like my lightish color at the top here. Alright. Anyways, step one is to, okay, how do I put this shit together though? Put on gloves. No. Twist the top. I don't know. Am I like the only person who don't put on gloves? Like, gloves for what? That's that for the blonding pack. Ooh, it's dusty. I'm supposed to shake it. Oh shit. Untwist the top. Pour this bad boy in it. And recap it. And shake. These motherfuckers don't give you no shampoo in this thing. And I don't think I have any either. Shit. I read everything that needs to be read. Apply on the outside first. Then to the roots after 10 minutes. Got it. Got it. 30 minutes, yeah. Rinse and shampoo when you're done. Okay, it doesn't say this part, but you know, just because this is what I do, if I was to do anything else to my goddamn hair, is to put grease around my edges. I love these bad boys, even though I only have half of them. Alright, it's hot as fuck in here now. I'm over it now. Try to give me 5 mile water. I lay down on my son, on my daughter. I had the Draco with me, Dwayne Carter. A lot of out here playing, ain't ballin'. Because I did not have any what they called shower caps, I already got a Walmart bag. It still smells bad in here. So. Ooh, shit now. And I believe my hair is most likely the darkest one on here. So that seems about right. What my hair came out looking like. It's conditioner. So yeah, I might use that. And use this afterwards. Like really gold or blonde hair. I usually just let my hair air dry. You feel me? It just does what it does. Let it do what it do. My hair be acting like they want to be nappy all the damn time, and then you see put one little water in it, and now it moves and it's manageable. I got this blow dryer for my local beauty supply store. That's what I got from. Don't see it yet. I'ma get lazy. I got the mojo deals, we been trapping like the 80s. So, got the cash out. Told them wipe, but no. Say slash. I won't never sell my soul. And I can back that. And I really wanna know. You know, I honestly did not think this shit was gonna work. I swear I didn't. I did not think this was gonna work. I did not. Cause my hair's so thick, I always see like girls with like thinner hair, not thinner, but not so coarse hair do it. And when I just put it up there, I just was like, whatever now. I was like, shit. I was as surprised as everybody else. It's my first time trying to do this shit too. Like, oh my gosh, I'm so happy for myself. Like, I real deal did a knot on my head. Like,